Yo, what's good, YouTube, man? Welcome back to the channel, bruh. Now, I know this is going to be like a little different setup. Normally, I do be vlogging shit like that, so I did kind of want to try to bring y'all something new, trying to put y'all up on game, bruh, because this is like what I really be doing, like behind the camera, off camera, like that, right? I really do be trading, so I kind of just want to bring y'all something different, bro. This is going to be a quick trade breakdown on the trade I just took today. Actually, I took about 3 positions today on 3 different pairs. I'm gonna show you guys all my positions that I took, as well as profits and losses right here. This is all just from yesterday, being September 8th, coming in today, September 9th, closing all my positions before the weekend, so I can try to enjoy my weekend. But the main one I'm actually going to show you right now is going to be USDJPY. Ended up going like over 100 plus pips in profit, so young nigga did secure a lot of that money. And actually made pretty good money today, bro. As you can see, numbers don't lie. So, but no, for real though. So right now I am in the process of getting funded, actually. So I am working with the company. A lot of you actually might know who they are. If you don't, the name of the company is called E8. So I'm working with them right now, trying to get funded on this $25,000 account. Hopefully by the end of this month. Hopefully by not the end of next month, but trying to speak it into existence, bro. But I do plan on actually being funded by them. Once that actually happens, what I'm going to be doing is trading $25,000 worth of their capital. So, but anyways, bro, if you are new to the channel, man, make sure to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications so that you are notified whenever I drop another video. Get at me. Make sure to follow the trading page on Instagram at The Real Profit Prince. And shoot, we're gonna go ahead and get right up into this video. Brain finna waste no time. So on to the markup. Let's get it. All right, so boom, let's get straight to it, okay? So this right here is pretty much the actual markup of the trade that I actually took. This is going to be the, like I mentioned, USDJPY. The time frame that I take majority, if not all of my trades on, is going to be the 1 hour time frame. So I do my setups on a 1 hour time frame, might go down to the 30 minutes, kind of look for my entry, but main time frame that I'm using is going to be 4 hours, pretty much for my general direction. 1 hour is kind of just getting like a little closer, marking off the level that I want to pay attention to. And then I either look for a 1 hour breakout candle or a 30-minute breakout candle. Whichever one looks most cleanest is going to be the one that I'm taking. In this case, it was, let me see, I think it was the 30. Yep, I took it off the 30 minutes. So this, boom, this candle right here, let me just make it a little, I entered right here off this little small retest of this wick when it kind of came back up. But this was my actual entry confirmation, if I want to make it easy. This was my entry confirmation candle. And then, as you can see, the trade played out perfect. Now, let me show you guys one thing, because this kind of made me mad this morning. So originally, the markup that I had was for down here to tap up into this support. And I guess you can kind of say it's just me being like a little, I don't even want to say greedy, but trying to be like too precise when it comes to it. Because my TP originally was 141,500. So I'll bring it all the way down here, 141.5. So peep, it says 141.506. If I was to put this at 141.500, this wick, this month right here, this thing did not hit 141.500, bro. It hit 141.504. So that's why, if you look at the actual like screen or the screenshot on the whatchamacallit, on the MetaTrader app, that's why it actually has like me closing the position. I think it was like up here, bro. And I'm actually kind of mad. It was like up in this area. So I pretty much missed out on how much it is. A good 50 pips of profit. Because partially me waking up late, like this is at 6:30 in the morning, so I'm knocked out. I don't see this at 6:30 in the morning. I woke up at like about 7:30ish, and it was up in this area, and I was like, dang, I done already missed most of this profit. I ain't about to let it keep on going back up. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna just go ahead and close. Like I said, profit amount was still decent enough for me. So all in all, the trade worked out, which means the strategy played itself out, which means I can replicate this over and over and over and over again and hope to consistently make money. So I'm gonna kind of just do, like I said, a quick breakdown, why I entered, everything like that. So boom, this is the markup that I was looking at, okay? If I want to back bar replay it, we were right up in this area. So Boom. Step one for me, I recognize, okay, price is pretty much going in a sideways motion, meaning it's not really trending anymore, but overall direction is up. Of course, making your arrow, you can see is clearly going up. If it was going down, it would look like that. So clearly in upwards direction. I know we're moving sideways. Okay, it might be a temporary pause in this momentum. Boom, no problem. This is rule of thumb right here, man. This can be based off of whatever time frame that you actually trade on, but like I said, for me, I'm pretty much focused on your 4 hour for my direction, and then I look at to get my entry points and stuff off the 1 hour, like my 30 minute. So in a 4 hour uptrend, for my strategy, what I'm looking for on my breakout is I want to see a break of resistance on the 1 hour. Once I see a breakout of the resistance on the 1 hour in an uptrend, I'm buying. Same thing in a downtrend. A 4 hour downtrend, I'm looking for a break of support on the 1 hour time frame. If I get that breakout candle on the 30 minute or 1 hour, I'm selling. No ifs, ands, or buts. In this case, prices technically in an uptrend, we're going sideways momentarily, so I know I have a support zone right here that price is failing to break. This is actually kind of doesn't get much better than this one. It lines up right on the cycle level, but if I make it clear, boom, 143,500. Of course, it's 494, but you guys get the point. 143,500 is my actual 1 hour support and my cycle level. So all I need to see is just a candle break this level, close below here, so I can sell it, hopefully going down to the next level, which of course should have been that 141,500 point. My next major cycle level, I guess you can call it. So, like I mentioned, this is the actual setup. Of course, this is where I ended up closing it out, but I'm gonna just do my original position, okay? 141.5, boom, 3.16 risk to reward ratio. So, pressing forward, as you guys can see, this is the breakout candle. This told me everything I needed to know. Okay, boom, we have consolidation, I have a breakout. I'm looking at going ahead and selling it because we broke the support or the floor of this actual chart on a 1 hour time frame. So I want to take it to the next 1 hour or next 4 hour zone, which in that point should have been right here. So kind of fast forwarding it. Of course, you guys already know it played out, but got our breakout, got our small retracement, hit us with a nice evening star. What time is this? Evening star at 2:30 in the morning. So right before London session opens, evening star, which means, yep, we're going down, bro. And as you can see after that, price completely melted. Went all the way down to where I thought I was going to be at, but as sometimes that happens in the market, it literally was 0 point. That's not even fair, bro. That shouldn't even be real. This is like, bro, that went to what? 03? Bro, this is like 0.02 pips, and that's even the thing. I don't know. But that's like less than, well, not even that. It's like 2 pips away from my TP, bro. But that's pretty much the whole setup, man. Like I said, I have my support level. Price is going in an uptrend. We're constantly bouncing on this level. Clear, we have 1 bounce, 2 bounce. Not really a bounce, but you guys can just see that it's making this overall structure. If I was to kind of go up higher in a time frame, this makes it a lot clearer. So we know obviously we're in an uptrend. Boom, push up, looking for our retracement. This is actually that retrace, possibly to continue the uptrend. So I caught all of that retrace movement coming back down. Lovely trade, like I said, pretty much got me when it was actually all the way down here. I'm not gonna lie, I seen it this morning because I happened to be up. My girlfriend was getting ready for work. I happened to be up and seen it. I was like, you know what? We're about 5 pips away. I'm gonna let it hit my take profit. I ain't gonna do too much. Ended up not hitting shit and ended up reversing freaking 50 pips, and I lost out on that. But it is what it is. Take the same methodology, go for it next week. Hopefully look to make, if not more money, same money, break even, whatever the market tends to give. That's what I'm focused on, just being content with that. It's really all up here, bro. It's really all a psychological game, man. But so that's the USDJPY trade, bro. So all in all, I caught, so we'll just go to where I actually hit my, or TP that. So I think I entered, if not here, like maybe like 2 pips up or something like that. So pretty much still caught 114 pips on multiple entries. So that's why I was able to bag in so much money on this one, man. So this was a good trade to end off the week, bro. Can't really complain. Like I said, $1,000 profit was made today. So that's just, of course, part of the journey for me getting funded. I haven't got funded yet. So this is one trade in the right direction towards me reaching my goal with that. But that's actually going to be all for this video, but I really don't have too much going on. This markup is like one of the easiest ones that I've seen this whole week. It's a clear breakout with a large candle, no wick at the very bottom of it for real. Nice breakout candle, bearish engulfing technically too. Engulf all of these candles right here. And we went right down to that support zone. So next week, just a quick little, I guess you can call it a sneak peek or whatever. Kind of looking for maybe something like this right here. For my last push up, so I got my technically higher low point from this whole zone over here. If I was to zoom out, you can see kind of went up, bounced off. Take my field from my higher low all the way up to the higher high, the highest point that it made. Bringing it back down, as you can see, we got a 61.8 rejection and a bullish engulfing. So possibly looking at continuing this uptrend for next week. But this was a nice, technically a counter trend trade, which I don't like doing anyway. But since it's on a 4 hour, you guys can pretty much get a lot of good risk to rewards off of the 1 hour setup. If you take a counter trend trade, just gotta always be careful in the market because you never know what can happen. Yeah, but that's it, man. Like I said, if it's something that you are interested in, bro, please be sure to subscribe to the channel. Like I mentioned, also follow me on Instagram at IM_Tyrese for my personal Instagram page. I actually just got a brand new trading page I'm going to start posting a lot of my markups on, a lot of trading content, trading memes, things like that. So please be sure to follow that. I'm going to leave all the links to everything in the description down below. Link for that Instagram page is Real Profit Prince. So REAL Profit Prince is what I am. The Prince of doing this shit. I'm not a king yet. I ain't mastered it fully, but we are on the way to getting to that point, man. But I'm going to see you guys in the next video, bro. Good seeing y'all. Good talking to y'all. Hopefully y'all learned something. Be prepared for a lot more videos in the future, man. And we're going to get right to it. Y'all have a good weekend, bro. We're going to see y'all next week. Let's go.
Let's go. It's too easy. Yeah, this rap shit way too easy.